Hey guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to find someone's location using their phone number. So you come to your Google Chrome and then come to the search bar, then search for Truecaller ID. When you search for that, open this first website here. Okay, then after that you have to input your phone number here. Okay, so for this case I'll put in this phone number over here. Okay, so this is the phone number of the person I want to search for. Then click on the search icon there. So quickly you confirm the person's location. Okay, so what you're going to do is simple. Click on this address over here and it even shows you the local time. So you click on that and then it will quickly load into the Google Maps. So to zoom in, just click on this icon here. Okay, then make sure that give it permission to see exactly the location. Okay, so just click on the zoom in here. When you click on this zoom in here, you have to be patient until it's done loading. Okay, so it's now going to zoom in shortly where you see that blue icon there. Okay, exactly here where you're seeing this blue icon, this is where this person is located. So guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.